In Islam, Muslims believe that one day, a very special person named Imam Mahdi will come help make the world a better place. His name means the guided one, which means he will be guided by God to do what is right and what is good. Imam Mahdi is not alive today, at least not what we know for sure. But Muslims believe he will appear in the future when the world is full of unfairness, fighting, and problems. When he comes, he will bring justice, peace, and fairness to everyone. He will help people follow the right path and stop bad things from happening. Muslims believe that Imam Mahdi will be a good and kind leader. Like the great prophets before him, he will care about poor people, help those who are treated unfairly, and walk with those who bring peace to the world. He will also fight against evil and people who hurt others. Some Muslims believe Imam Mahdi is from the family of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. In fact, many say his full name will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah, just the Prophet's name. He will look like him too and act with kindness, wisdom, and courage. There are different beliefs about Imam Mahdi in Islam. Sunni Muslims and Shia Muslims believe in him, but in slightly different ways. Shia Muslims believe Imam Mahdi was already born long ago and is still alive, but hidden until the right time. Sunni Muslims believe he will be burned in the future when Allah decides. Even though there are small differences, all Muslims believe that Imam Mahdi is a hero who will help make the world a better place. So in simple words, Imam Mahdi is a future leader in Islam who will come fix the world, stop evil, and bring peace and fairness to everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, for the sake of Allah. Jazakallah khairan.